How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another aircraft model unboxing video. This is my first double unboxing video that I've ever done, and it'll be with my first two Phoenix model aircraft. Both of them are Airbus A340-300s in 1:400 scale. Let's get right into it. First, we have the Phoenix models Lufthansa Airbus A340 current livery. I know I've been getting a lot of Lufthansa models lately, but like with the A350, I got this one because I was on this exact aircraft 2 years ago. LH446 Frankfurt to Denver. It was my first A340 flight, and I have a trip report on it as well. It's the tail Delta Alpha India Golf uniform, nicknamed Kastrup Rauxel. Yep, this is the one I was on. This particular model isn't a new release. I don't know how long it's been available, but I'm very happy that I finally got my hands on it. And yeah, the box looks nice. I like how they included the iconic yellow from Lufthansa's old livery. Phoenix, you are a company of culture. Next, we have Phoenix's latest take on the Edelweiss A340-300. This is actually a new release. It just came out about 2 months ago, or 2 months before I filmed this. The box looks very nice as well. When I ordered this from Aviation Megastore, I didn't know this, but it turns out this is a Platinum Series limited edition. I don't know exactly what that means with Phoenix models, but it might have been a good time for me to get my hands on this when I did. I got this for a similar reason as for why I got the Lufthansa one. Besides LH446 on Kastrup Rauxel here, the only other A340 flight I've taken was on one of these Edelweisses. Sadly, I was not on this one specifically. This one's tail Hotel Bravo Juliet Mike Charlie, nicknamed Flumserberg. I was on Juliet Mike Foxtrot with the name Bellalp on Denver to Zurich. As a matter of fact, I believe I took that flight before this one was even transferred to Edelweiss from Swiss. And yeah, if you're wondering, all the Edelweiss A340s are ex-Swiss. So yeah, though I wasn't actually on this exact aircraft, I think it's cool that I was able to get some sort of model representation from both of the Airbus A340 flights I've taken in real life. They were very special flights to me, especially since the A340 is not common nowadays. I ordered these from the Aviation Megastore located in the Netherlands. If I remember correctly, I ordered them both about a week after this one was released, and they were delivered at the same time. I wanted to get to unboxing them a lot earlier, but I didn't get the time. Then I went on a big trip, came back only to find out that I lost my phone stand, but now that I found my phone stand, I can get this filmed, and I cannot wait any longer, so let's open them up. Let's start with Kastrup Rauxel, the A340, the one I was actually on. Can't get over how beautiful this box is. So, first impressions of it. Okay. That was a pain. Hope I didn't damage the A340 in the process. Oh my god, don't. They put the tape on the corner now, did they? Okay. First time holding it. Looks to be in good condition. Nothing is broken. Now let's do the Edelweiss one. Let's put you in the background. Let's do this. Actually, while we do this, let's set Kastrup up here. Still be visible. I want you guys to keep in mind as we're unboxing that the Edelweiss is a much newer release than this one, than the Lufthansa. So I wouldn't be surprised if it's in any way better quality. That would only show how much that would only show that they improved. Okay. Starting with the Lufthansa one. just so you guys can get a good look at it before I give my thoughts. Honestly, it's a very nice model. Don't have many negative things to say about it. Livery was done perfectly. It's very detailed as well. Even you got the engines. My phone doesn't want to focus, but yeah, it's kind of there. Landing gears spin in some way. That's always cool. And I keep forgetting that the A340 has a center rear gear, but I'm glad they included that. It's really cool. Also, I think the mold was done very well. The nose looks a bit too vertically compressed. I don't know. Might just be because the cockpit windows look too big. And for some reason, whatever you call this gray part here, I don't know what you call it, but I've seen this plane in real life. That's supposed to be white. That is supposed to be the same color as the background livery. So yeah, I don't know why they painted that gray, but it's whatever. It's a very nice model. Okay, now moving on to Edelweiss. Like I said earlier, this model is a much newer release than this one is. However, taking a close look at it, I think it uses the exact same mold as this Lufthansa one. And I think that's great because it's a good mold, and then it adds some consistency to the Phoenix models. And yeah, livery was done perfectly in my opinion. It's got the beautiful red, blue, white, yellow colors, the iconic Edelweiss colors. We got the red and blue colors with the white and yellow flower on the tail. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but the aircraft's name is right there under the cockpit window, like it is on all the Edelweiss A340s. Even got the flower on top of the front left door. 4 engines. Spinning landing gear, including one in the center. Yeah. I don't really have any negative things to say about this one either, other than maybe the compressed nose. The nose just kind of looks too compressed on both of the A340 models. Or, I don't know. Let's see. Or maybe it's not that bad. Let me know your thoughts on that. So yeah, I am very happy that I finally got these 2 A340s in my collection, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I hope you found it helpful. Anyways, thank you for watching, and goodbye.